Add maximum cooking performance to your commercial kitchen without sacrificing floor space with this 60-inch gas range from eQuipped by KaTom. In addition to a range top with 6 burners, this unit includes a 24-inch Raisd Griddle and Broiler and 2 standard ovens. Because the griddle is built in, operators can prepare burgers, pancakes, and more without needing to purchase separate equipment. 4-inch back and side splashes are included to contain splatters from the griddle. A broiler is also built in for finishing meats and other dishes. The 2 ovens built in beneath the range top operate within a temperature range of 250 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 adjustable and removable oven racks are included to accommodate products of all sizes, and each oven door includes cool-to-the-touch handles to ensure operator safety. This unit's stainless steel construction offers superior durability for a long life in your commercial kitchen. To purchase this unit or learn more, call a customer care representative at 1-800-541-8683 or visit us online at katom.com.